your name?
Ian Martin.
Ian Martin.
Yeah.
So tell me a little bit about this. Brought this boat here at the end of February. You guys are going to restore it. It was in pretty rough shape.
Yeah.
And it was sitting out in the woods for a while.
Yeah.
So tell me what you guys did to it. It looks beautiful.
Basically, we stripped all the old wood off, everything down to the bare hull, redid the interior of the bare hull with another coat of ivory gel coat. We then replaced all the woodwork. Also redid your black coat as well.
The paint, the original paint, those are in pretty good shape.
That's your original paint. We normally tell people not to paint them unless they're horribly, looking really bad to the sense that you just don't want to look at it anymore. Because all you do is add weight when you do that anyway.
Yeah. About how much does this model weigh?
This one you're looking at 70 pounds. Yeah.
A little tough to hoist by yourself.
Yeah.
Back out. That's beautiful.
Thank you.
What kind of wood is this?
This is cherry.
It's cherry.
Yeah.
So it's all cherry?
All cherry. We finish it with a oil made by Penafin. It's just
What's the name of it?
Penafin. It's a natural oil made for marine use. So it's got UV protection and mildew resistance.
The one I brought in had varnish on it.
Yeah.
It kind of leads to wood rot.
Yeah, it does. The oil helps the wood breathe, and if you keep applying it, it just eventually will just repel itself after time. Including water. So.
Well, she's beautiful. I see brass hardware on here. It didn't have any before.
No.
It didn't have any of this brass hardware before.
Huh. I must have, because it had the holes for it.
Oh, it did have the holes?
Yeah, they were so dark. I think I have an old one here.
Because I don't remember being able to tie anything on here.
I wonder if they didn't put the ring on it, but
Maybe.
I had one of the old brass pieces here that we took off of it, and it was dark. Black. You couldn't even notice it. So.
Okay, well, thank you very much. We'll get her loaded up. I'm heading over to New Hampshire now. It's going to be it's a maiden voyage, and the rebirth will be in Lake Winnipesaukee.
Oh, great. I hope you enjoy the weekend.
Thank you.